Hi everyone, this is Mary at Northwest Sewing Center. Wanted to invite you to our laser quilt show, trunk show. We have wonderful samples here from laser cut quilts. And so we have a lot of samples here for you to see. The kits come pre-cut, so all the pieces are already cut for you to make it easy to do your applique. So like on this boot here, all these pieces are already pre-cut, and then you fuse it down and do your applique. Wonderful kits. We do have a special. It's 15% off the laser kits, and also you can order just the patterns from us as well. On the website, any of the patterns we can get, and you can get the discount. So we also have some pictures of some others, but we are here to help you, and please come by and see the samples, our wonderful trunk show, and join us, and we'll be glad to answer any questions you have. Come by and see us. Thank you.